Okay guys, today we're going to assemble the float. Especially you can use it in the night fishing. So this one already have inside, it's like combo. You have the glue stick holder, the black one, and the red one is the stopper, float stopper, and the main thing is just the float. Okay, now we're going to assemble the float. So this one is your float. Then you can slide the float or the glue stick holder. So you have to slide here, and then now you have to put your glue stick on top of your float. So we have to open this one. Yeah. So okay, have to slide here. Yep. Now you have the light here. So we're going to put now the your leader from your main line. Okay, so this top side you have to put to your main line. So before you putting that, have to put the stopper first. So stopper this one, put the hole here, so you can adjust any measurement you want. So now you put this small thing here, which you can get from here. Okay, now you have stopper. You have to put the float. Yeah, so it's gonna make like this. So now we're going to put our sinker, small sinker here in the bottom, so your float will be standing like this. So it depends what size of the float, and you can put your sinker as well. So now put the sinker here. So put big like this. Okay. After that, you have to put the swivel here. It's tight. Okay, Okay, now you have ready float for night fishing, and as you can see, this one float is adjustable, which you can control it from the stopper here, so you can make more longer, and it's like this. So as long as you cast, float going further, and when it reach your destination, and the float coming here to the top. And this one's the sinker is going down the bottom together with your pre-made rig. So we try to put the simple, the hook. So hook can put it here. So that's it. Okay, now you have the main line. It's a leader going to your braid or whatever line you use for your fishing rod, and you have stopper after your float, which come with the light, glue stick light, and stopper, and the holder, and this go through to your sinker, and that one go to your hook. That's how easy you can make your float rigs if you're going night fishing or daytime fishing. So daytime fishing, you can just take off the glue stick. You can just use it in the evening. So that's all for today. Hope you can learn something, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share if you don't have it. Subscribe yet, and please stay tuned for more land updates. Thank you. Bye.